record for the most number of balls juggled ay hawak ni Alex Barron ng United Kingdom. Ilang bola ang na-juggle niya ng sabay-sabay?
Well, believe me, Max and Andrea, it's 13. 13 balls. At may history yan. Kasi alam mo, nung grade 3 siya, champion yan sa Jackstone.
Ay, alam pa kaya nila yung Jackstone?
Yeah, the
Ngayon,
Jackstone.
hindi na nila
Alam
alam
niyo ba yung Jackstone na yan?
Oo.
Alam niyo yan. Sumunod na grade. Aba, siya na ang taga-bola sa bingo. Mahilig taga siya sa mga balls eh. Bingo, taga-ikot, taga-yan, ganyan. Letrang B, ganyan. At nung high school naman, aba, iba naman ang hobby niyan.
Ano?
Nagtitinda siya ng fishball at siopaw. Pero ang flavor, bola-bola. Kaya believe me, the answer is 13 balls.
Jessica, symptoms.
11 bola.
Oh, 11 lang.
Hindi 13 na sinasabi ng iba dyan.
Are you accusing me?
13 lang na
Hey,
bola.
are you accusing me?
I'm not accusing you. You're not from QC. You're from Cavite.
So what's the proper?
11 balls. It's not 13, Antonieta. Come on, believe me.
Wow.
11. Actually, 10 lang.
Oh, ba't naging 11?
Nang biglang may naghagis ng isa pang bola mula dun sa galit sa kanya at kaawa niya, naging 11 nang hindi niya namamalaya. That's unbelievable, right? 11 balls.
Okay. Jose. Wow.
9.
Nakakabuyoyong.
9 balls.
Kala ko 2.
Ay,
9 balls. Then 9 balls yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, nung nag-umpisa siya maglaro nito, doon pa lang nauso sa bilyar yung 9 balls na bilyar.
Max and Andrea, Antonieta said 13 balls.
13 balls.
Okay, mahaba ang paliwanag niya. 13 balls. Is it a fact or a bluff?
Fact.
Fact na fact na?
Fact na fact.
Okay, come on, blackboard. Is it a fact? Please reveal.
I'm so sorry.
What's the fact that age 18, nagdala ng world juggling record ang British na si Alex Barron. He successfully juggled 11 balls.